Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing well. So today, for all students, we have bring a new learning site. Although the online education has been growing day by day during this period. So while staying on it, we have bring a new website, a learning site that is the Learners. Here you can see the Learners. The Learners is the name as a nest where you can comfortably learn anything. It doesn't matter where your career stand at the moment. And for sure, after learning from this website, online learning courses will be always look for a good on your resume. This is the website for you are making for a self-learning depend as the new way of learning discrete mathematics, a new way of discrete learning mathematics. And through this can you can easily learn the discrete mathematics. Many problems can be solved using the discrete mathematics. So at the end, you will be very happy to see that you have learned a discrete mathematics which will be very helpful for your daily life experiment. So here, this is the lovely landing home screen with a user-friendly design. It includes a neat feature and a beautiful layout that you can use as an inspiration for your next project. So let's see what's our main motive of this. Our main motive and the mission to prepare this website is to make a learner to learn discrete mathematics easier with a fun improvement and reasoning a problem solving ability. Our plan is that to make a discrete mathematics and easier to learn a visualization. Our vision is able to improve their problem solving skills and have a better reasoning power. Or this is the learning method to learn a discrete mathematics visually, and hence it is the user friendly device. So now let's come to the home screen where you can see explore part where the topic wise of an discrete mathematics has been shown. Just whichever you want, just click on it and watch the whole video which for a topic wise videos. And about us, here you can see the what's our main motive of this making this website and the resources I will tell you about later on. Let's come into an explore part. The explore part, just click on it and enjoy the learning discrete mathematics visually. For example, I will click on a graph theory in the graph theory. Yeah. And this is the introduction of an graph as if you can want to learn a planar and non-planar. Just all you want to click on it and you can just learn it visually. This is the visual part of an again. Just click on it here and you can be able to see the introduction of an graph. These are the representation of any whatever you want a topic to learn and watch. Just click on it. Just like I will click on, for example, like planar non-planar graph. You can see here it is open. Just click on it and you can be able to see the full video of any. Yeah. So I am going back to it. And here not only you can see the topic wise videos, we have clipped the for all you a revision type of a good like here like a notes. Just click on it and you can see the whole concept and formulas of a graph theory for a revision purpose. After seeing all the modules, all the topic wise videos visually, just for a revision part, just click on the notes and you can get into the concept and the formulas of a key concept of a graph theory just for a revision purpose. Scroll down and for you can get more about the graph theory in a short. Not only for a graph theory, we have put the notes. We have kept the all topic wise videos notes into in all topic wise on all modules. Just click on it whatever you want and just you for better revision click into the notes. And I am sure for after seeing all the modules wise videos of discrete mathematics, you will be perfect in strong and in a discrete mathematics as we have shown it in visually. And let's come to a new resources, that is from where we have brought for for you all a better wise material for discrete mathematics topic wise. Like, as we have tried to cover all discrete mathematics module topic wise material so that the viewer can be never be disappointed. So here are the some ebook and formulas. Not all are in a topic wise. And so yeah, the most important come is that about what is the very important topic for learn for an examination. So for examination, after seeing into examination point, we in this we have covered the feature topic. In this feature topic, after clicking on it, we have cover the all the topics which are the most important topic in the set: relation, function, logic, counting, and many more that will be covered for the examination type of questions. So in this we have kept the important topics so that after completion of all this after all these modules, just for revision of our examination point of view, click any topic whatever you want for the examination. These are the laws of set of theory. Just click on it, and special instruction on this topic whichever you want, just click on it and easy to learn visually. Like I will click like in relation, so you can see that in relation there are the equivalence relation and matrix graph relation, and in logic also too many 3 videos, counting also, and partial. These all are the featured topics but which we have taken from for examination point of view. And yes, for sure this website will be the best learning site for a district mathematics. And let's thanks to those people who helped a lot for this making mind-blowing website to you all. And these are the learners team member who had given a hand for this website. Thanks to our group leader Akshay Jadhav. I admire your leadership and decision making skill who helped for a visual video making and the material needed for the topic. Thanks for being a great leader. And the more thanks to Kipal Parakhya. Without him, we can't able to make such a wonderful site for all of you as a learner's visual side. We appreciate all the knowledge and the skill you had given imported to us. And Ronak Singh, who had a major role while making a visual videos, and thanks for being such a part of us. And I, Gokul Gopal Krishnan, as a speaker of this, all the viewer make discrete mathematics to learn easy and comfort with no cost. Help to make the best visual topic wise video with providing all the references and material to the view of the viewer of the learners. And last not the least, the word can neither be qualified nor be quantified. However helpful your guidance and advice has been, I am forever grateful for your support. I hope that I can look forward to make working with you all and again in the future. Thank you.